at the outset, okay, the certificate of live birth of the accused appellant Norman Antonio Mangusin is given more faith and credence by the court, yung branch 28, okay, than the certificate of live birth. Dalawang certificate of live birth. Taina, di ba? Basahin mo. Ikaw nagbasa.
At the outset, the certificate of live birth of the accused appearance as Norman Antonio Mangusin is given
More
Given.
faith.
more faith and credence by this court that the certificate live birth of the accused appellant as Francis Leo Antonio
Ano ibig
Marcos.
sabihin? Yes, dalawang certificate of live birth, di ba?
Yes po.
Ang sinabi ng court, o sige, bibigyan diin ko tong certificate of live birth ni Norman Mangusin, ni Norman Antonio Mangusin, kaysa dito sa certificate of live birth ni Francis Leo Marcos. Granting na. Ibibigay niya na yung diin doon. Nakuha mo? Eto na. Ayan. Ang haba. Eto na. Yung mga decision na ng korte to. Dito tayo sa dulo. Kita mo. Ilan ang certificate of live birth?
Dalawa.
Okay.